Seductive Souls coming at you with a new pickup. The new Nike Air Uptempo 96s, all white with red trim. They released last Thursday. I just got them today because I ordered them online, and then Monday was a holiday, so it prolonged. And I could have got them in the store, but online was quicker. As far as ordering, I was at work and they sold out. So yeah, get into these. A first-hand look of these babies. Of course, these are one of my favorite shoes. Another shoe that's underrated, along with the Gary Payton gloves. I get all the Uptempos that come out in colorways that I like. Let's get into a first-hand look. Look for defects or anything like that. Don't see any glue spots anywhere. I mean, it might be hard to tell since it's white and the glue is clear. Don't see any stains, any spots. Something that I did notice is, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but if you look at the threading around the letters, it's white. You see in the back they have the red. Some of the threading is red, some of it is white. I mean, it's nothing major, just something to look at. I pay attention to everything when I get my shoes. A few little wrinkles. Can't see them that good. A few little wrinkles. Again, these are the Nike Air Uptempos that released Thursday. The 96s. See, like these wrinkles right there, I don't like that. I mean, but I'm gonna put them up anyway, but just saying, look at that. Check the insides. I mean, it's good quality. I'm not complaining. Way better than Jordans, that's for sure. Again, Nike Air Uptempos, released a week ago. I finally got mine. Took forever to come due to the holiday, but first-hand look for defects, anything like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.